John, what are we doing? Are we RV shopping?
No.
Yes, we are. So right now we're in the Discovery.
Yes, we're in the 38K. This is roomy for, we could get everybody around this.
And John, I like the flooring.
The flooring
not
is
that
nice.
fancy smancy,
Shiny stuff.
shiny flooring.
I like this because it looks like real wood.
It has a dishwasher.
Oh, I like that too. You would love that.
Still got my fireplace.
Yeah, is this 2 baths?
It's
bath and a half?
Well, it's very. It's you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just hurting myself.
This has got a half bath here.
Yeah, look at this.
I don't see a washer dryer.
Oh,
I walked right
that would
past it. It's in
be-
the kitchen.
Yeah, that would be here.
Why would you put the washer and dryer outside the bedroom?
Yeah.
I gotta have my dirty underwear in front of my guests who are traveling with us.
No, you close the door.
This is nice.
I know. Look at the space you have here at this little table. Let me test this.
This has the Firefly.
Oh, look. This is a low step. I love it. Well, you have to step up into
Yeah.
the bathroom, but...
Let's look at the storage.
Oh, this is nice. This is fine. It's roomy. Yeah, let's look at the storage.
I wonder if we could take this for a test drive. Plenty of counter space.
Induction cooktop.
2 burners though, but I never use 3 anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, so now John and I, we've looked at the Discovery, we've looked at the Frontier GTX, and now I think we might be interested in this Canyon Star 3957. So we're gonna go in, take a look, maybe talk to some people, ask some questions about it, and see if maybe this is a possibility for us, right, John?
Yeah.
We're getting that diesel pusher.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it, right?
Yeah.
All right. So this is one of the units that John and I are very interested in checking out. This is the Canyon Star 3957. Yes, I know we said Fleetwood, but we want to make sure that we're making the right decision. And we're going to do the same things we tell you guys: research, look at lots of different models, and then make a decision. Don't fall in love with the first thing that you see, right, John?
Right.
Okay, John. Let's take a look at this.
Now, even though the engine's in the front, this is a diesel.
Yes, and there's a very good reason why the engine is in the front, but we won't tell them just yet.
Right.
Okay, John, look at this. I like this driving compartment. Now, what's really important to me is whether or not that seat can raise.
Yes.
Can you sit in there and see how high up it goes?
Let's see.
No power there.
No power. Oh, wait.
Oh, okay. John, you just hitting the wrong buttons.
No, it's all the way up.
Oh, well, then let me sit there and see
Yeah.
how I feel. Hold this. This may be a... Let's see, is this... Well, John, it's better than the Bounder,
Right.
but I still feel like I'd like to be this high.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'd like to just be able to see a little bit more.
Right.
Okay, somebody's coming in. Let's look at some more of this. Again,
All right.
We'll just do a quick shot of what we have in here before the masses come in.
I like the dinette with the televator.
We do now, John. I'm not really crazy about the interior. I think that the layout of this is just kind of
Right.
you know, and these countertops are kind of This tells me that there's a problem with the sink being so close to the sofa. You see, look at that. This is sloppy job. But
there's
stuff to
one
keep in mind.
feature that kind of sells this, though.
There is one feature. This is an induction.
Yes, induction cooktop.
And then for something this size, how many feet was this again? It was like 40 feet?
I believe it was.
I mean, that's a really small refrigerator.
It is. This is very small for that size.
Yep.
The bedroom is decent.
It's a decent sized bedroom, but it's a queen bed, and we're used to having a king.
We are.
So that's something to think about.
When you exit this door...
Oh, are you trying to give them the big reveal of why we like it so much?
I am.
All right, well, let's switch places. I'll let you do it.
Right behind me is why you give up some of your space. This is also a toy hauler, and it has this lovely deck back here.
The reason why I like this so much is because I get so jealous of people at the campground when we're like near water and they have this balcony, this deck out, and they're sitting there having their coffee or having a drink, watching the sunset.
You love that.
I want to be able to do that, John. I want to do that.
I know. I know.
So the other really cool thing about this is that you have an option in this space. You can put bunk beds, or you can put like seats here with a table,
Right.
and then it all raises up so that you have room to put your motorcycle. It's a motorcycle wheel chuck right there, and John can have one too right there.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, John.
Good morning, folks. If you want to get a value on your RV, just stop here at the Good Sam Worth.
So we really have to think about this one, don't we, John?
We do. We have to think about this one. I mean, it would be cool because, like you said, this hauls a couple of motorcycles, but it also can come with a bed and a table and chair options. It has.
Wait, hold on a second. Excuse me, are you from Newmar?
I am.
Okay, I know you guys don't like to be filmed, but I just have a quick question
Oh, no,
for you.
you're fine. I do our videos on YouTube, so it's okay.
Okay, great. So this has an option for chairs and a table, right? And where would they go?
Yep. So actually, this is our 8-foot garage, so it's going to be a little bit different. So we also offer a 10-foot garage without a patio. 10-foot garage comes with 2 queen bunk beds.
Oh, we're only interested in the patio.
Yep. Okay, perfect. Only patio. So this is going to come with a bunk bed that's going to be a twin-size bed, and then you can also have a table and chairs. And basically, it's going to be powered, and it's just going to go up and lay flat up top. There's also a screen that comes down.
Hey, folks. Good morning.
Okay.
If you're here or outside, want to keep the bugs out, you can bring the
Want to
screen
get a
down
value on your
and
RV,
hang
just stop on
outside.
in.
So where, like, if you could just tell us what
Yep,
the
so
floor
your
plan was.
table's gonna go right here on this little
Okay.
metal strip, and then you have your chairs, and then your bunk's gonna come right about here.
Okay, and so the bunk and the chairs, they raise up together?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So you'll be sitting underneath the bunk if you're using the table and chairs.
Yeah, but you can only bring down the table if you want, so like you're not hitting your head on the bunk.
Oh, so you can bring just the table and the chairs down?
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
I don't know, John.
I know.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, yeah.
This would also make a great spot if Justin were to travel with us.
It would.
Yep. All right, let's go look at some more, John.
Yeah.
Tough decision.
Tough. You know what? I might try what you had yesterday. Maybe I'll try this sourdough French toast.
Really? No eggs Benedict for you?
No, I had that yesterday.
I hope you like it.
Yeah.
You're not much of a French toast guy. I don't think I've ever seen you order French toast.
It's been a long time. No, you're not going to do that. Why? It doesn't work. Oh, thanks.
That looks tasty, John.
It is, I bet.
But
I don't know because I don't have utensils yet.
I think mine looks better though.
Yeah, yours looks really good.
I've never ever ordered chicken and waffles, but a stranger told me to do it, and so I did. So John,
Yes.
we have a few things left to do at the show.
Right.
We have to go back and see the insurance people,
Right.
join FMCA,
Yes.
pick up the awning cleaner,
Yes.
and buy a new RV.
Maybe.
Well, our anniversary is tomorrow.
Yes, it is.
That could be your anniversary present.
It would make a good anniversary present. That's
Right.
true.
It could be a good anniversary present from me to you, and a great anniversary present from you to me. And then you wouldn't have to worry about buying anything else.
Oh boy.
It could be our anniversary present for years to come.
Yes, the guy was talking to me again.
Yeah.
Congratulations, you guys own a
Woo! High five! How you feel, John?
A little happy, a little nervous. I guess that's normal.
Happy anniversary, John.
Thank you. Happy anniversary, Sherry.
Thank you.
Oh,
Congratulations.
thanks.
You're very welcome.